One of my favorite restaurant meals is breadsticks, soup, and salad. You may know where I'm talking about. I tried many recipes to try to get that perfect breadstick. I found it here. If you are new here, hit that like, subscribe, and notification so that you get all of our recipes as they post. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for your support. Hang out with me, and I'm going to show you how to put these perfect breadsticks together. And it's simple. Folks, this is the most perfect breadstick recipe that I have come across. They come out perfect every single time. There's no guesswork. They are so soft. They are just delicious. These are as good as my favorite restaurant. These are very easy to freeze as well. I'll take these, I'll put them on a cookie tray, throw them in the freezer, let them freeze. Once they have frozen, I'll take them off the tray and put them in a gallon bag, and I'll pull them out as I need them. Just like the frozen ones that you get at the grocery store, you'll just preheat your oven to 350. You will throw these in the oven frozen and leave them for 8 to 10 minutes. So this is an excellent make ahead bread that you can serve any night of the week, even on your busiest nights. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, stir the pot.